This is a waterfall, but I don't know if I can fly the drone here, because look at the branches of these trees. But if I would want to fly here, I would have to launch it here, go like there, and then up and go down in the same way. But if anything happens, I'm screwed. But I do think it would be a very nice shot to go all the way up and down. And if you know from my previous videos, I haven't been able to do that successfully before, because it only wants to go 10 meters high if it doesn't have GPS. And the question is, will I have GPS here? You know what? I'm gonna set up and see if I have GPS. If I have GPS, I'm gonna try to make the shot. If I don't have it, it's no use, because I won't be able to get up anyway. No GPS, too many people. There's 2 more waterfalls in the neighborhood. I'm gonna check those out.
20 minutes later.
There's another waterfall. A lot of trees, but I think I can just go through it and then up a little bit. Should be enough. So it did not want to take off because the battery temperature was too low. I had the battery in my pocket, so I think this one is warmer. So let's see what this one is doing. Yes, so record, start the propellers.
Take off.
And I'm going very slowly here. I have to either do this on vision or on the camera. I think I'm going to do it on the camera. Start a little bit lower. So I'm going to do it on the camera. I'm going to put the camera up a little bit, like this. Oh, it's too fast. It's too fast. Ah, that's difficult. Well, let's have a look here anyways. I think I have to do this in cinematic mode, because then it's going slower and smoother, and I want to see how much I can go up here. And the thing is, that's what I have to do just by vision, like this, like this. I can get pretty high, maybe a little bit higher. Well, at least you guys can see it well now. we got visitors. Let me see if I can do the same here, because then I have both in view a little bit better. Like this, and then go up. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we got visitors. I'll wait for these people to go. Hey, I have GPS now. I've got GPS. Wow. You know what I'm gonna do? I might actually want to go up all the way. I think I'm gonna do that. So record.
Take off.
Like this. Alrighty. And now we can see the surroundings. So the waterfall actually is somewhere over here. So let's even go higher. Maybe like this, and then let's have a look around. And over here the valley goes down, and it's difficult to do this smoothly. I might even want to go higher. To get an even better view like this, and then turn around a little bit quicker. All right. I think I made a full circle already. Oh no, here. Okay, just let me see. The waterfall is here somewhere. No, here. Here it is. Let's go out there. And let's put the camera down and see if we can see something. Can you see something? And let's put the camera down and see if we can see something. Can you see something? It should be out here. I think it's totally hidden. And now, how do I find my way back? Between all these trees. You see that? Wow. Now I'm pointed into the direction. I think there is some water here. Don't you think so? Like this. Yeah, I think it is. Look here. Here's water. So that's the waterfall. But I cannot go down there. If I put the camera completely down, and I put this spot in the middle, and then you should be able to land between the trees. That's not gonna happen. Got to go backwards a little bit. Well, for sure this is the waterfall, but it sees that I'm close to the trees. I don't want to do this just on camera. That's just a little bit too tricky. Okay. And here's the road. And this is about, I'm going a little bit higher. I'm a little bit further, I think. I have to land between the trees here. I can do it. All right. Well, at least you know how the environment looks like. I think these people are gone. Oh, they're up. They're all the way up. Oh, and there's even more people coming. Okay. I think we have to decide that this is it. Otherwise, I have to wait like half an hour before everybody's gone and new people may come. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. See you on the next one. Bye.